Hi, I'm Kish Williamson with Healthy Foods TV, and I'm at Nature's Bin, a very popular natural and organic market here in Lakewood, Ohio. Here today in Nature's Bin in Lakewood, Ohio, and I'm so excited that they have on special today Annie Chun's all-natural Asian cuisines. Now, Annie Chun's makes a variety of products, including noodles and soup bowls, and my favorite are the soup bowls. What I love about this is not only is it quick, it takes 2 minutes to prepare, but also they're all natural, no MSG is included or preservatives. And another interesting thing about the Annie Chun's packaging is the bowl is eco-friendly, made primarily from cornstarch. So you're not only doing something healthy for your body, but you're also doing something healthy for the planet. And again, this is so simple to prepare. Simply open up the bowl, add a cup of hot water, and place it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. And by the way, Annie Chun's also makes a wide variety of other products. Everything from marinades and sauces, express noodles, and pad thai.
I work in the bakery deli or the food service, and I get food from the bakery and the deli for customers, make sure that it's just the way they like it.
And what do you like about working at Nature's Bin?
It's somewhat more relaxed, but it's personal. Like, you get to know some of the customers, and we also, a lot of people don't know, we're primarily a training facility for people with disabilities, and so you get to work with the people that come through the program on a daily basis, and that can be very rewarding.